Hello traders, and thanks for tuning in to this week's Market Outlook from Exness. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Leader, and in this video I'm going to be giving an idea for trading natural gas. I'm going to be looking at the possible movement in terms of direction and potential target, what are some of the narratives driving this position, and what traders who were to take the position would need to be aware of. But before that, let's look back at the performance of last week's idea. Last week the idea was a buy for Bitcoin with a target of around $65,000. That idea was fully accurate, with the price having moved up to reach a high around 68,500 in the few days after publication of the video. Now for this week's idea, it's a possible buy for natural gas with a potential short-term target around the 100-day simple moving average at about 240 to 250. We can see that the bounce has been pretty strong from the recent low. The slow stochastic is no longer oversold, and the price is currently testing the 200-day simple moving average. It's possible that if the movement were to continue, there might be stretch targets as high as $2.90 or $3 in the longer term. Some of the main narratives driving the possible move upward by natural gas include seasonality, since typically in July and August natural gas tends to perform better, and expectations that temperatures will continue to be hotter around the world than the seasonal average for most of August, which increases the demand for power to power air conditioning. Meanwhile, overall economic conditions remain reasonably decent considering the circumstances, increasing the demand for commodities, including natural gas. The main data that traders would need to monitor this week are American GDP advance for the second quarter on Thursday, followed by personal consumption expenditures also from the USA on Friday. These releases are important because they're likely to affect the value of the US dollar, in which gas is usually priced. So in summary, the idea is a potential buy for natural gas with a medium-term target of around 240 to 250. Primary narratives driving the possible move upward by natural gas are seasonality, expected higher temperatures, and overall reasonably decent economic performance. And the main factors that traders would need to watch this week are American GDP and PC. Please remember that it's just an idea for a trade. It's not a signal, it's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and manage risk.